What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here at the Raiders field again, and this time I have the Traxxas Aton out here. I charged it up. I just had the sudden urge to fly this thing, my favorite sports quad. For all you guys who are unfamiliar or who want to know more about the Traxxas Aton, I will have links in the description to my review and other flight videos of it. The Traxxas Aton right there, it's locking in on actually it's already locked in on the GPS home and everything, the home position, so I'll be flying that. But I brought this Bugs 3 out here in my jumper, T8SG, to show you guys the true pitch and all of this thing, because I was rudely interrupted when I was showing you guys my other flight of it. So let's get right to it. Have the battery charged all the way up. Let's try to take off with it. Nope, it's not, so we're gonna go down and bind to it. Something's up because it didn't do it right away. Usually it does it right away, but I'm not sure what happened. Let's see if it, nope, let's unplug it and try it again. That's weird, that never happened. Then again, I usually have the transmitter already on. And maybe it's because it's near the Traxxas. I don't know. This thing just won't fire up. Let's see. Nope, it didn't fire up. Let's move away from it. Over here. It seemed like it did something that time. And it did. Wow. So it can't be close to the Traxxas. I don't know if it's the GPS or something. I don't know. But check it out. It pitches so much now that it'll go to the ground if you keep it pitched and don't give a high enough throttle on it. Dragonflies are always going after my drones when I fly them. And this sun is hitting me head on. Hopefully you guys can still see it. Now let me bring it back. I did program a flip. I think the flip switch is channel 6. And so this guy don't want to flip, and I cut the throttle in the air. You can actually stop the props from moving in mid-air with this thing on Deviation if you hit the switch. And you can't take off on the ground. Let's take off from my hand launch. You can see this thing is blazing fast now. Couldn't get my flipping to go. Let's try it again. Maybe I had the wrong switch on. Not that one. Let's see if it was this one. Okay, there it is. So I have it on the other side. So as you can see, it still flips nice. Forward flip. Okay, let's take that off. Now that's the only thing about this TS8G, this T8SG. I think it needs a momentary switch. And that would be awesome for flips, so you can just mash down on the button to get it to flip when you want it to. Pesky dragonfly flying around it. Very deep pitch on the funnels. Awesome funnels there. Check it out up close. See if we can get a little closer for those funnels. super awesome funnels. Do some speed runs real quick. Can't give it full pitch because it'll go to the ground. So definitely a beast on this T8SG. And we can cut throttle to a switch, so I can catch it in my hand. So that's the Bugs 3 with Deviation on the T8SG. Really awesome now, guys. Thanks for watching.